OfficePro is now offering classes in the use and optimization of OpenAI's ChatGPT in the workplace. OpenAI's large language models can be a powerful tool in the workplace, but how do you use them effectively? At OfficePro, we demystify ChatGPT and teach you exactly how to pose queries to get the best results. Our classes cover a wide range of topics, including drafting and editing content, enhancing customer service, research and data analysis, brainstorming and idea generation, learning and development, language translation and communication, scripting and scenario planning, and best practices for using ChatGPT at work. But it doesn't stop there. We also show you how to integrate ChatGPT with Microsoft products like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, email, and even content creation. And did you know that ChatGPT can even assist in programming? By using OpenAI's large language models, you can improve efficiency in the workplace, resulting in greater output and cash flow for your business. So why wait? Join OfficePro's online education classes for OpenAI's ChatGPT and discover how it can revolutionize your workplace. OfficePro, online education classes for OpenAI's ChatGPT. Transform your workplace today.